Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we're going to talk about these beauty boxes from Walmart. I found these at Walmart on clearance for $5 and I believe 55 cents. They were supposed to be $10.98, so some of you have probably already seen these. I'm sure someone's done a video on them. However, I thought that I would share them with you today. So this box is the Glow It box, and it looks to be all about having glowy skin. So here we have a Wet n Wild highlighter. This one I actually almost bought the other day and it was about $5, so I got pretty much everything for free. This is a hard candy highlighter. This one is from Revitalist. This is a Milani something. And then a sheet mask. You all know I love a good sheet mask. But we ain't trying that on today, because I already have all my makeup on except for highlighter. I have no highlighter on, so that way, we can try these out. So the first one I want to try out is the Wet n Wild Megaglo. See how beautiful that is? And this one is called Precious Petals, which I think is going to be a really good color for my skin tone. Alright, I zoomed you in a little closer. So let's go ahead and try this one. We'll pick this side. And I'm just going to get a little on there. Ooh. Wow, that is a nice glow. I need a mirror though. I had to grab a mirror so I can see better. Wow, that has a really nice glow, yet it's like pretty natural. Ooh, okay, this one I'm really impressed with. Alright, so the next one we have is from Hard Candy. And hard candy products I've tried in the past have never been that great, so I don't know about this one. Swatching it on my finger, it looks okay. Well, the swatch looks good. Even though this has 3 colors in it, I'm guessing you could like use your finger and use the different colors on your eyes as well. I'm just gonna blend it all together and put it all on at one time. Wow, this has a good glow too. Alright, Hard Candy. Pretty impressed. I still like this one better. I think it is just a little bit more metallic and wet looking than this one. This one is a little lighter, so it's going to lighten the skin slightly because it's a little more powdery. But they both have good glows. So next we have the Revitalist Healthy Glow. This color looks really dark to me, y'all. Alright, now that I've cleaned off my hand, let's try this as a swatch. It's kind of rose tony. It's not that highlighty to me. It's more metallic. Feels very smooth and almost powdery though once it goes on. I'm gonna just put a little bit on my eyes. Let's do that. So me personally, I like this one better for like my eyes versus my cheek. It's just too rose gold for me for my face. And then next in here, we have the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. So let's make it dewy, y'all. Alright, I zoomed y'all back out because you're probably like, whoa, Sam, it's like a lot of face on my screen right now. Alright, I always shake these up and let's give her a squirt. It smells so good. This really smells great. It's like very floral but fresh, not like a heavy old lady smell. Why do I always call everything old lady? My sister used to laugh at me and say that. She's like, you say everything smells like old lady. So this is a 3-in-1. It hydrates and illuminates the skin and it sets your makeup. So do I look more hydrated and glowy? I think I do actually. Should you buy this if you come across it? For $10, I think that it is a good value. These two products I absolutely love, and a sheet mask, I mean, you can never go wrong with a sheet mask. So these three right here are phenomenal. These two are okay. For hard candy, this highlighter, which was this side again, did work rather well. This product right here is great if you love a cream. I'm just not a cream fan, but it worked great on my eyes. It added a little bit more glimmer there, and it is a very pretty color. So I say if you found this for $10 or like I did for $5.55, it's a phenomenal buy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. It means so much to me every time I get a new subscriber and see my little family growing. You know, I've been on YouTube for about 2 years, and we have 2,000 followers at this point. So, you know, hey, some channels grow fast, some channels grow slow. Hey, I'm just happy for every single one of you. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, bye y'all.